Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Delta Executor on your Android device. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open the web browser on your mobile device and search for Delta Executor. From the search results, click on the first website. Once the website opens, tap the Android icon. You will be redirected to another page. Scroll down until you find the blue Download Now button located below the YouTube video, then tap on it. On the next page, you'll see two download options. Select the first option, v2.731. After that, another page will open with a View Ad button. Tap the Add button to continue. When a new tab opens, do not close it. Instead, return to the View Ad page and tap the Add button again. Another tab will open, and again, leave it open. Go back to the View Ad page. You should now see that all the required steps have been completed. Tap the Continue button. Another tab may open. The file size is approximately 215 megabytes, so wait until the download is complete. Once the file has been downloaded, install the application. After the installation is finished, open the app. It will automatically take you to the permission page, where you'll need to grant the required permissions for the app to function properly. After completing the setup, log into your Roblox account and start using the app. That's it! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this tutorial with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.